Hey everyone, welcome to Netception. Now in this video we are going to show you step by step how you can convert a PDF file into multiple PDF files. For example, I have this PDF files which actually has two pages into it. Now I want this file to have individual two pages. Now it and I want this individual two pages to be two separate files. Now you can have more than two pages, or you can have one file with say three pages and another files with say four pages. So if you have a 7-page PDF document, you can have two files. You can split it from middle, you can split it into three halves and have like two and then 3 pages for each document. So you can split it in any way, but you don't want a single file, you want it to be more than one file. And you don't know how to do this. Well, let me tell you, it's really easy. You don't have to download or install anything and not pay anything at all. You just need to go to this website known as smallpdf.com, and I'm going to show you how to do this. Now you have this option next to merge is split PDF. Now click on this option and you will see this window will open, and you have the option to drop your file here. So go ahead and locate the file on your computer. For me, it's in desktop, and I will drag it and drop it here. You can also click on choose file and then do that. Now you can see there are two options: extract every page into a PDF, select pages to extract. So one thing you can do is you can have like single pages, and you can choose which to extract. For example, you have a 30-page document and you don't want each page to be its own document, but you want say page number 1, then page number 3, then page number 18 to be its document, and you don't want the rest. So you can totally go with this option, but since I have only 2 pages in my document, I will go this option, and my both 2 pages will be made into separate PDFs. Now you can see it's being converted, and it takes only a second to do this. Now click on download and you will see the pages will be downloaded right here. And as you can see, the pages have been downloaded. So I will quickly open these pages by clicking on this, and it's a zip file, so you can go ahead and right click and extract it right now. And you can see there are page 1 and page 2. So I will open up the both to show you. This is page 1.pdf. Wait till it loads, and as you can see, it has only one page, hello world. And this is page 2, which has only one page, welcome to Netception. And you can see it has been split into two individual PDFs. So I think you can solve whatever thing you are trying to do with this method. This is extremely helpful, and the best thing is this is online. You can do it anywhere, from anywhere you go. You just can log into this website and do it. You don't even need to carry a software or something. All you need is your file. So if you found this video helpful, please give this video a like, share it with the friends who might also have this similar problem and need our help. And if you want more tutorials, tips and tricks, hacks, website reviews, etc., please subscribe to our channel. Keep watching our videos. Thank you for watching.